Yes, it was a long, I know, the quarter went by fast. However, that was a long time ago. Time is a strange thing. So with this one right here, I'm going to isolate the sign. So dividing by 2. And again, I can just think it, but it's always a good idea to write stuff down and make sure you're thinking correctly when you look back at it. So now I have the sine theta equals the square root of 3 over 2. This is on the no calculator part, and I recognize the square root of 3 over 2, so I'm going to look back at my notes where I just drew the unit circle, and I'm going to redo it here. Sine 1 square root of 3 over 2 is around up here. So I'm looking for either that angle right there, or considering the rest of the unit circle, I could be looking for this angle over here. And one revolution around, those are the only times where the sine is going to meet up with the y value, square root of 3 over 2. So I have 2 possible angles here. And let's see, based on that, which special angle is in the first quadrant? Let's call that theta 1. Pi over 3. So right away, just based on my picture, I'm going to write theta 1 is pi over 3. And then for the other one, let's see, how do we figure out the other one here? What's the reference angle for the green? Yeah, so the reference angle here is also pi over 3. So I want to get pi over 3 away from pi. So the other one, if I call it theta 2, would be pi minus pi over 3. And maybe you just look at it and go, oh yeah, that's 2 pi over 3. Right? I expect some people to just know it. Other times I'm like, oh, I think it's that, but I'm going to double check. 3 over 3, 3 pi minus 1 pi. Yeah, okay, it is 2 pi over 3. So your answer might look like this, or you might just say theta equals pi over 3, or is appropriate here, 2 pi over 3. And the work is not much, right? We had to do a division to get a sign, and then either you wrote the unit circle out on a piece of paper and you're going to give that to me with your exam or give that to your test proctor, or I'm going to see it sketched out on the side. If you include additional notes, then make sure you number everything additional so that I can see what you were thinking.